On page 14, we are going to see lights and shades. By means of dots, you can produce visual effects such as light and shade. In the clear areas of a drawing, dots should be well apart from each other and closer together in the dark areas. Take a look at the examples with more or less dot saturation. Also, dots enable you to depict motion, expression, shape, among other elements that make up a drawing. By mixing lines, we can create clarity and darkness effects. The more lines that we use and the closer together they are, the greater the darkness we will attain. On the contrary, for an effect of clarity, there should be fewer lines and there should be more space between them. So, in here we have 3 examples of shades and light. So, in here you can see the shades made with lines, and this is the light, the white parts. This is Rembrandt, a man playing cards. This, made by George Seurat, called Seated Woman with a Parasol. You can see it's made out of dots that look like shade, and this is the light. And this one is made of lots of lines, made by Alberto Giacometti, called Portrait di Homem. So, this is something that we're going to do today. On page 13, you're going to complete the sequences with different kinds of dots and lines. For this part, you can use markers, different colors, but they need to be something like this. If they have a big point in here, you cannot use them. So instead you can use colors. You're going to complete the sequences using dots, like in here, but you're going to do it here and here. Then in here, and in here. It goes from a lot of dots to less dots, okay? Remember that to make more shade, you need to do a lot of dots, and less shade, more light, less dots. This part you can use different colors, and you're going to finish it doing the same. For example, in here you're going to do these diagonal lines with this kind of space. In here you're going to make a lot of them together and then more separately. In here, like this, do the same. Then wavy lines and wavy lines, but putting them together and apart at the same time.